Today we are reading Genesis chapter 2. We'll see the very first day of rest and the many wonders of the Garden of Eden. It's a beautiful part of the Bible. Let's get started.
The heavens and the earth were finished, and all their vast array. On the seventh day, God finished his work which he had done, and he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had done. God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because he rested in it from all his work which God had created and made. This is the history of the generations of the heavens and of the earth when they were created, in the day that Lord God made earth and the heavens. No plant of the field was yet in the earth, and no herb of the field had yet sprung up, for Lord God had not caused it to rain on the earth. There was not a man to till the ground, but a mist went up from the earth and watered the whole surface of the ground. Lord God formed man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and man became a living soul. Lord God planted a garden eastward in Eden, and there he put the man whom he had formed. Out of the ground Lord God made every tree to grow that is pleasant to the sight and good for food, the tree of life also in the middle of the garden, and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. A river went out of Eden to water the garden. The name of the first is Pishon. The name of the second river is Gihon. The name of the third river is Hiddekel. The fourth river is the Euphrates. Lord God took the man and put him into the Garden of Eden to dress it and to keep it. Lord God commanded the man, saying, "Of every tree of the garden you may freely eat, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat of it, for in the day that you eat of it you will surely die." Lord God said, "It is not good that the man should be alone. I will make him a helper suitable for him." Lord God caused a deep sleep to fall on the man, and he slept, and he took one of his ribs and closed up the flesh in its place. Lord God made a woman from the rib which he had taken from the man, and brought her to the man. The man said, "This is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. She will be called woman, because she was taken out of man. Therefore a man will leave his father and his mother, and will join with his wife, and they will be one flesh. They were both naked, the man and his wife, and they were not ashamed."
It's so peaceful to think about the first day of rest and the care God took in creating us. I hope you feel his peace with you today. And until we meet for the next chapter, may you have a blessed week.